Hi, everybody. It's a bright, sunny, hot day of Thailand, and today we're checking out on this the Alocasia macrorhizos or macrorhiza variegated that I have planted on this cement tub for a few months. It has been heavily rained on and it survived direct the whole day sunlight, and it is now healthy and strong. No damage to the leaf, none at all. They're all healthy, even the really white part. The rain has stopped, uh, and now it's only really heated sun. As you can see in this tub, this macrorhiza, also macrorhiza, I'm sorry for my pronunciation. It's she's like the number two of the fast grower. Now the number one guy is this one, the Aloha. Oh, that's what's that? Some damage to the leaf. Some pest attack, which, as you can see, it's a jungle out here, so it's really hard to control the pest. Um, Organic pesticide works sometimes, sometimes don't. Most of the time don't. And spraying too much chemical is not really good for me or my kid or anybody in the house, because the wind blows that way, and yeah, it has some trees to cover it, but it spraying it every week eventually will get into the house. I think I just want to be more cautious. As you can see, this is the Colocasia Aloha, and this is the Alocasia. They can stay in the same tub, no problem. Uh, Same soil mix, uh, same water. Look at this shiny black leaf. Look at them, gorgeous. I mean, in my opinion, I like the Aloha more than that macrorhiza or macrorhizas. I like black black leaf, black plants like that one. It used to be much darker, but uh, after a heavy pest attack, we have to cut them all. And but I guess I didn't fertilize it as much as these ones over here, because basically this is doesn't worth much, and it's producing a lot of daughter plants, so it will survive. It will survive 100%. But now this is the newest tub that have been planted along these one, two, three, four. This is the new guy, and they look healthy now. They can stand anything: rain, sun, heat. As long as I water them. It used to be the tub. The tub is leaking now. I need to get something to uh, you know, cover it up. See, here's the leak. I don't know if the camera can see it. It leaks all around. It used to hold water like this, but that's not happening anymore. And over here is the, I'm sorry for my pronunciation. I don't know whether it will be correct or close or not. The water hyacinth? Hyacinth? Not so sure at all, guys. Uh, this is a plastic tub. It's it holds water well, but I have to admit it is not as cool as the cement one. When you water them, it is not cool. The water get heated up quickly. uh, I plan on using the plastic tub to plant these alocasia and colocasia, but I'm experimenting on this water hyacinth first because it used to be on a fish tub, fish pond, small ones, smaller than this tub, and not as deep. And it doesn't have direct sunlight at all. So it doesn't grow well. As you can see, the roots are not that established, and the leaf it's droopy, wilted. Yeah, it's not that healthy looks. If this doesn't work, I'll throw them into the pond in the back of the house. It's our pond. It doesn't connect to any river, so it will not block anything. And as far as I'm concerned, there might be some fish in the pond, obviously, but I think they will survive. I'll try to keep them under control. Oh, forgot to mention, it's the variegated one, not the ordinary green water hyacinth. Hyacinth. Hope you can. Hope the camera can see. I cannot see the screen really well. The screen is not bright enough. Okay, I think you can see it. As you can see, the variegation. If this top success, I would plant. I would propagate some the colocasia. No, sorry. These runners next time I'll propagate them in the tub. I have succeed. I have succeeded propagating these runners in the smaller plastic tub, which isn't in direct sunlight. But I will this time I'll put it just over here or somewhere with direct sunlight with like 8 hours plus of direct sunlight and heat, because I can see they cope with it well, and they grow with it. They grow better than the one that's are partially shade, and the leaf are they are well erect, and they are facing nicely, all around. Unlike the one under the shade, which is like the leaf is like always like looking for the sun. It's not as erected or majestic. Not sure what's the word I should use. Okay, that's it for today. My phone is heating up as well as me. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.